Hi. Did you know that the average Filipino produces a half a kilo of trash every day? That's a lot of waste piling up, and much of it is not being properly handled. So, if we don't manage our waste properly, our streets, rivers, and oceans will continue to suffer, and that damage comes back to us in the form of pollution, diseases, and climate impact. I, Jomar Medoranda, as someone who cares about the environment and our community, I've researched simple but effective ways we can all take part in waste management. Today, I'll explain what waste management is, how it helps protect human health and environment, and why is it important to practice it in our daily lives. So, what is waste management? The definition of waste management is the process of collecting, treating, and disposing of waste properly. So what is the goal of waste management? To reduce harm to the environment and improve community health. Why is waste management important? It prevents pollutants in oceans, rivers, and lands. It also protects human health and also the wildlife. So, what are the health impacts of waste management? Poor waste management can have a major negative impact on our health. Trash left in open spaces draws pests like rats, mosquitoes, and insects that can spread harmful illness. These pests find breeding grounds in dirty environments, endangering entire communities. Burning trash also releases harmful gases into the atmosphere, which can lead to long-term health problems and respiratory disorders. Trash disposal into rivers contaminates our water supplies as well, lowering the standard of our water we use and drink on daily basis. Trash disposal into rivers contaminates our water supplies as well, lowering the standard of the water we use and drink on a daily basis. Our health and safety will continue to deteriorate if we do nothing. So, what are the types of waste management? Fortunately, there are effective ways to manage waste and reduce its harmful effects. Number 1. Recycling. Recycling enables the conversion of waste materials into new goods, such as plastic bottles used to make containers or plant pots. Another useful technique is composting, which transforms into leftover food and vegetable into organic plant fertilizer. By arranging our trash and allowing garbage truck to pick it up on a daily basis, waste collection helps us maintain a clean environment. Most significantly, waste segregation increases the efficiency of recycling and composting by separating biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste. By adhering to these guidelines, we help create a healthier and cleaner environment. Before I end, I have some thoughts to leave with you. We learned that waste management is not just about throwing garbage away. It's about collecting, treating, and disposing of waste properly. We also saw why it's important, how it affects our health and environment, and the different ways we can practice it, such as recycling, composting, proper collection, and segregation. Before I end with you, I have some thoughts to leave with you. We learned that waste management is not just about throwing garbage away. It's about collecting, treating, and disposing of waste properly. We also saw why is it important and how it affects our health environment, and the different ways we can practice it, such as recycling, composting, proper collection, and segregation. Now, do you remember when I mentioned that each Filipino produces almost half a kilo of trash every day? Imagine the difference we can make if each of us commits to managing that waste responsibly. The truth is, waste management is not just about the government's job. It is our job. Every small action matters, whether it's separating our trash, recycling, or maybe refusing single use of plastics. Together, we can keep communities clean, protect our health, and ensure a safer, greener future for future generations to come. So, that's it for my presentation. Thank you for listening.